There are 5 seats for old men, Gurudil. This one is a white seat.
Nou, प्रसाद लिया।
Ja, je moet de kinderen wenken dat ze wat krijgen. Yeah, we have lots of cookies. Oh, jij ook? Ja. Een feestje. Altijd, hè?
Ja, oké. Dat zie je maar. Dat is meer. Cookie, cookie.
Dus we zitten nu even voor de incheckbalie bij vertrek voor die. En daar is Boerder nu verzaden aan het uitdelen. Ja, ik wil even kijken. Dan wil ik graag je nog niet maken.
Sorry, saya está boven.
Zoveel handen?
Ja.
Oké. Sesame.
Ayo.
Ma.
Voordeel van de tijd.
Er was wel mooi in de tuin.
Jij gaat naar welke buurt dan? Oh mijn god, dat is een verleiding. Ik heb echt partners nodig. Ja, gast.
I did. Huh? That everybody has.
En ik dacht net dat ik een filmpje maken kon. Mam, hoe is het erop af? Oké. Oh, dat is...
Ja, hè?
There's something for Judith, some
You
water
drink
for his hand.
You drink it. He's a vegan. Only by doctor recipe normal people get this. It's vitamin and protein, but it's vegan. You can I give to Krishna Balaram.
Mr. Walram, take this. You have place or not?
He has one already.
Because sometimes in the plane the food is not so nice and you can drink this, then you don't have to eat.
But you can't take it through, no? You can't take liquid.
Yeah, my
होगा पर कोई ले रहा
Give it to
oh ja, dan heb je nog een.
Yes. Ik kan het allemaal zelf mee. Anders neem je er twee genoeg van. Anders alleen. Zo is het. Definitely. Op alles gebeurt? Ja, ik denk sowieso. Alleen iemand Niet rennen hier. Niet, maar jij ook niet rennen. Er zijn mensen gespeeld. Any question?
I will be have to read Navadip Mahatma.
But within those
Three categories of Vaishnava.
yeah, but within that category, there's also Kanishta, Kanishta Madhyam, Kanishta Uttam, and the same for Madhyam. But what is the difference, for example, between Kanishta and Kanishta Madhyam? What's the difference?
First, you try to understand this way. Shraddha to Bhav and Prem. Shraddha, Adu Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Rati, Bhav and Prem. This is the sequence of our bhajan sadhan and how to attain our perfection goal. So, in this context, Shastra saying in this way, Shraddha to क्या बोले निष्ठा, that is called कनिष्ठ अधिकारी. Then ruchi to rati, that is called rati or asakti, that is called the madhyam adhikari. Or then bhav dasha to prema dasha, who is attained bhav and prema dasha, that is called uttam adhikari. So now coming in this way, the three categories of Vaishnavas: Kanishta, Madhyam and Uttam. Jahar Komal Shraddha se Kanishta Jan, who has Komal Shraddha. Komal Shraddha means very soft faith. He is called Kanishta Adhikari. So Kanishta Adhikari, three categories also: Kanishta, Kanishta, Kanishta Madhyam and Kanishta Uttam. So who has Shraddha, but not the complete, the Shraddha is not mature. Maybe little bit Shraddha and Sadhu Sangha. So that types of devotee is called Kanishta Kanishta. Okay? Kanishta Kanishta is called Kanishta because he has no knowledge about Shastra Gyan. And if little bit any problem will come, then he will give up everything. But he is also Kanishta Adhikari. Why? Because the definition of Kanishta Adhikari explained in this way. Archem evo hare purjangja saddhe natad bhaktisu chanesu sabhakta prakita smrita. That saying, use this word. Actually, his name is not in the categories of the devotee. What is saying? Prakita Smrita. Here you see Prakita Smrita. Because he follows the four principles. eh? But lack of his knowledge of the scriptures, for this regard, he does not know how to give the respect to the other Vaishnavas. He does not know. This is the thing. Only Kanishta Adhikari's one good qualification. He has faith with the Lord. And he worship to Lord Krishna. He does not worship to any demigod and demigoddess. Those who are worship demigoddess and serve to Krishna, actually they are not also in the categories of devotees, meaning Vaishnava devotee. These are things. So, अर्चयमेव हरे पूजं श्रद्धेषु न तद भक्तिषु च अन्येषु. Here अन्येषु means too many. He does not give the respect to the other Vaishnavas. Or अन्येषु means also he does not worship also any demigod and demigoddess. Understand? Many people they also worship Krishna, also any demigod, demigoddess. Actually, they are not in the category of a Vaishnava. Actually, they are called Misra Bhakta. Misra means their bhakti mixed. They are not Suddha Bhakta. So, for this regard, Kanishta, this qualification, Shraddha and Sadhu Sangha. But this Shraddha is very soft Shraddha. Yahar Komal Shraddha se Kanishta Jan. Yahar Kanishta. Then Sadhu Sangha Bhajana Kriya Anartha Nivritti. This is called Kanishta Madhyam. Bhajana Kriya Anartha Nivritti. But this Anartha Nivritti is not at a time go away. Just you cannot say, just you chant and go away. This is not step by step. Anartha Nivritti is, how will going? Now 5 stages also. Ekadashi Vartini, Bahudeshi Vartini, Praiki, Purna, then Attantiki. Ekadashi Vartini, one part of anarthas removed from his heart, that is called Ekadesha Vartini. Bahudesha Vartini, most part of the anartha removed from his heart, maybe more than 50, 60 or 80%. Anartha removed from his heart, he called Bahudesha Vartini. Praiki means almost all his anartha removed from his heart. That means maybe 95% anartha removed from his heart. Praiki. Purna kar complete. When sadhak had complete free from anarthas, when actual sadhak will come in the stage of that is called asakti or rati dasha. And sometimes also that is called purna. Sometimes also Shastra saying that is called maybe in the stage of bhava dasha, purna. Permanent complete.
100%.
100%. All he anartha removed. But still some smell of anartha in his heart. Or then Attantiki, 5th stage, Attantiki. Attantiki Nibritti. Then Attantiki, when anartha Nibritti, when sadhak will come in the stage of prema dasha. And that time again anartha will not come back. So anartha Nibritti is 5 stages. Ekadashi Vartini, Bahudeshi Vartini, Praiki, Purna and Attantiki. So now coming in this way, just I also told you this way, Kanishta Adhikari, 3 stages. Kanishta, when Shraddha and Sadhu Sangha, that is Kanishta. Kanishta Madhyam, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, that is called the Kanishta Madhyam. Eh? Or Kanishta Uttam, one who come in the stage of Nishtha. Eh? Nishtha is very important. Nishtha means is what? Steadiness. Nam Nishtha, Bhajan Nishtha. Eh? This is the Nam Nishtha. Bhajan Nishtha, Guru Nishtha, all Nishtha is here. So for the Nishtha hoite upajoy premero taranga. Chaitanya Charitamrita. When sadhak will not come in the Nishtha, actual is not improving his bhajan and sadhana. I समझे? So saying निष्ठा होते उपजय प्रेमेरो तरंग. Actually निष्ठा, that is called the root and of our bhajan and sadhana. This is going this. You know nishtha, nam nishtha. Eh? If you have no nam nishtha, if you have no bhajan nishtha, no guru nishtha, every nishtha is this saying this way. Seva nishtha. What is called? Seva nishtha. Eh? This is it. So this is called the Kanishta Uttam. Or Madhyam Adhikari stage, Madhyam Adhikari now 3 stages. Madhyam, Kanishta, Madhyam, Madhyam or Madhyam Uttam. Madhyam Kanishta, that is one who come in the stage of Ruchi, Ruchi Dasha. Eh? Ruchi Dasha coming. Ruchi subject, Ruchi means Rochonat iti Ruchi. Eh? This prakar give an example. If you have a hungry and any kinds of food will come, will be eat eagerly. Or if you have no hungry, no appetite, many food will come, will you eat or not? No. Eh? So ruchi mane rochonat iti ruchi. Eh? So actual this ruchi, that is called the, again also explain, ruchi means also that is called raganuga bhakti. Eh? Understand?
So from that Raganuga Bhakti, till then it's everything is Vaidhi Bhakti, and from then Raganuga Bhakti starts.
Vaidhi bhakti, first manifestation is Vaidhi bhakti. Only this the Vaidhi bhakti leads to Vaikuntha. A Raganuga bhakti leads to Golok Vrindavan. Eh? But both bhakti also simultaneously coming together. For this regard, give an example, one lips. Eh? One side is very rough or another side is very soft, smooth. Eh? But you can see that lips when that is called fold, no? Folded. Eh? That time both sides was very rough. Eh? So many rough. But when the lips open and unfold, no? That time you can see the upper stage going to lower or lower stage going to upper. This example has given. You understand it? That means Vaidhi Bhakti going down. Or but still there. Vaidhi Bhakti always saying there. Vidhi Bhakti, Raganuga Bhakti is coming. That means one who practice Raganuga Bhakti, Vaidhi Bhakti is inside there. But one who practice Vaidhi Bhakti, only Vaidhi Bhakti, Raganuga Bhakti is not there. You understand or not? So for the Bhakti Thakur ki Vidhi Bhakti Rato Jane Sadhinata Ratna Dane Rag Margi Korano Pravesh. This is the process also. First Vidhi Bhakti have to follow. Those who are not following the Vidhi Bhakti rules and regulations, they cannot enter in Ragana Bhakti. Shruti Smriti Naradadi Pancharatri Vidhi Vina Vaikantiki Harer Bhakti Utpadaki Kevalam. Shruti Smriti Narad Pancharatri. Those who are following these things, they are thinking, I am Raganugajan, so no need to follow the Ekadasi, no need to follow the rules and regulations. That bhakti is called what bhakti? Utpaduki Kevalam. Utpaduki means he makes the disturbance himself. He makes the disturbance to others also. Understand? First you have to do bhajan sadhan from Suddha. What is called? Suddha Sadachar. What is called? What is the meaning? You don't know. Good behavior. Suddha Sada, good behavior. Varnasam Acharatavata Purusena Parapuman Vishnu Aradhati Pantha Nanna Tattoso Karanam Shuddha Sadachar. Those who are not following the Shuddha Sadachar, good, actually Bhakti Devi not manifesting. So Fardika Raya Ramananda quoted these words. Prabhu kahe Parashlok Sadhe Nirnoy Rai kahe Sadharma Acharane Vishnu Bhakti. Sadharma Acharane Vishnu Bhakti. Vishnu Bhakti. Varnashram Dharma Palan. You have to follow the Varna Ashram Dharma and to practice it. So now coming in this way, Madhyam Adhikaris is Ruchi. What is called? Ruchi stage. Rochanaditi Ruchi. This is Nam Ruchi, Bhajan Ruchi, Seva Ruchi. Ruchi understand? No? Taste. If you are hungry, then many preparations will eat. Or if not hungry, don't eat. So Ruchi, that is, so when sadhak will come in the stage of Ruchi, that is called the Madhyam Kanishta. Madhyam Kanishta. Madhyam Ruchi to Asakti. The Asakti stage coming, that is your Madhyam. Asakti Dasa means is what? Some his semblance of his what is called? Spiritual form. He realized. This is called Madhyam. Not complete. Or Bhav, or third, Madhyam Uttam. Madhyam Uttam is coming in the stage of Rati Dasa. What is called? Rati. Before Bhav coming, that is called Rati Dasa. This is the thing. Understand? So this coming in this. That is called Madhyam Uttam.
What is the difference between the Rati Dasha and
Asakti
Asakti Dasha?
Dasa, your next question. Asakti, two kinds of Asakti. भजने रुचि और भजने वस्तु में आसक्ति. क्या बोला? थोड़ा संस्कृत याद करना पड़ेगा. भजने रुचि. Asakti Dasa, when sadhak come in the stage of Asakti Dasa, two things are there. Bhajane Ruchi or Bhajanya Asakti. Bhajane Ruchi, then we have to test will come to Bhajan and Sadhan. That is Bhajane Ruchi. Or Bhajanya Asakti. Bhajan Vasudhi, he has deep attachment which is worshipful deities. Here Vishwanath Chakrabarti Pad explain who is his worshipful deity. That first he had asakti towards Guru and Vaishnava. Understand? This is the asakti. Then same asakti attachment going towards Krishna, Radha and Krishna. This is the process. This is the process. Asakti two stage, two things. Bhajanya, Bhajane, Ruchi and Bhajanya Asakti. Just do it. Bhajanya Asakti. First coming Asakti towards Guru and Vaishnava Asakti. And then same Asakti attachment going towards Radha and Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You understand this? What do you write? So,
Bhajane Ruchi, Bhajaniya Asakti.
Bhajane Ruchi, Bhajaniya Asakti. Or Rati Dasa when coming, that time he realized his own and spiritual form. Madhyam Uttam. is coming this. Madhyam uttam karma. Or, but still not complete. So when sadhak will come the bhav dasa, and what the symptom of bhav dasa? The two symptoms of bhav dasa. One is called internal, and is called external. What do you use this word?
Consciousness, internal consciousness.
Are it two types of the symptoms of bhava? One is called that is called internal symptoms of bhava. What is that? Abhilasa. Three abhilasa will come. Remember this. Three will Bhagavat Prapti Abhilasa, Sauhridya Abhilasa, or Anukulla Abhilasa. Three Abhilasa will come. Anukulla Abhilasa. Bhagavat Prapti Abhilasa or Sauhridya Abhilasa. Understand or not? Remember. Bhagavat Prapti Abhilasa. Only his hope. Abhilasa means hope, desire. How to attain to Krishna. Bhagavat Prapti. भगवान हमें कैसे मिले, प्राप्ति मिले. That is called Bhagavat Prapti Abhilasa. That's the three Abhilasa is explained this way. Bhagavat Prapti Abhilasa.
This is still part of
And still also his Madhyam Uttam.
Oh, Madhyam.
Also still Madhyam Uttam. Understand? Bhagavat Prapti. Now Abhilasa is coming. Abhilasa means desire. Desire is coming. Bhagavat Prapti Abhilasa. Sauhridya Abhilasa. Sauhridya Abhilasa means he makes the friendship with the eternal associate of divine Lord Radha and Krishna.
Through his spiritual form.
Understand? Friendship. As like if you want to serve to Srimati Radhika with Madhurya Bhav, so you have to associate with these types of devotee, Rupa Manjari, Radhi Manjari. This Abhilasa will come.
So he is associating with them with his spiritual form.
Or spiritual form, not completely not manifest, but he has realization coming, anubhuti is coming,
So he can make
but
friends.
not completely manifest. So that is called Sauhridya Abhilasa. So it means Suhrid Bhav. Suhrid Bhav means that is called the friendship mood. Understand? You make friendship with whom? With the same mood as Raghunath Das Goswami. He makes the friendship with Rupa Goswami. Understand? This is the thing. For this guy, he is always anchoring. Sirupa Manjari Pada, Sei Mora Sampada. Sirupa Manjari Karar Chita Pada Padmo Kushandana Bujar Pitamastakaya. Ha Madhuta Kanaka Gauri Padar Vindam. Sanvayani Sanaka Istava Kim Karis. This types of anchoring. Abhilasa coming. That is called Sauhridya Abhilasa. Understand? Then third, Anukulla Abhilasa. Anukulla is that his Abhilasa who is favorable for his bhakti. Or the Anukulla Abhilasa. That types of mantra he will be chant. Anukulla mantra. Especially he will chant Gopal mantra, Kam Gayatri. That will also he chant this Abhilasa. These types of Abhilasa will come. So Sauhridya Abhilasa, Bhagavat Prapti Abhilasa or Anukulla Abhilasa. These are the internal symptoms. And or external sadhak will come the stage of bhavdasa. External symptoms, bahir symptoms, that is called 9. What is the 9? Chantravarta kalatang virakti mano sunnata asa namo gani sadaruchi asita gunanu bhavankure jani. Yeah, bhava onkur, not bhav. What is saying?
Bhav Ankur.
Onkur means the sprout of mood. Huh? Huh? Mood. Bhava Ankura, Bhavankur. You read Bhajan Rasa Grantha. Explain step by step. Yeah? Shanti means his mind never disturbed. Yeah? He knows in this material world people are doing many things. Why I am involved? Huh? Aresh Baddha Jivas, they doing many things. Huh? Understand? Baddha Jivas, they are activities are Kam, Krodh, Lobha, Moha, 5 involved. Shanti. Actual Shanti means if the cause will come, his mind will not disturb. That is the perfect example of Parikshit Maharaj. What is called? Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj, he heard. The Samikrishi son Singhi gave him curse, Abhishap. After 7 days, then Takshak, the serpent Takshak will come and bite him. Then he will die. Then Parikshit Maharaj mind not disturb. Mind disturb. Our mind disturb or not? If anything, but Parikshit Maharaj is very happy. So this is the best example. Bhajan Rasa Grantha Gurudev explained. That is called Shanti. That is called example of Shanti. 9 symptoms. Santira Abharta Kalatam. He does not waste his 1 second without Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. Santira Abharta Kalatam.
Is that the first? This is the first.
First Shanti.
That's the first. And then Kalatam is second.
Second, Abharta Kalatam. Santira Abharta Kalatam. Santira Abharta Kalatam. Virakti. Third. Virakti means he completely detached from the material things. What will do these things? He does not involve to anything. Virakti, detached. Coming, going, what will do? Virakti. Virakti, then Manasannata. He does not want any name, fame, reputation. Coming, not coming. Sometimes people also speaking bad things, but his mind not disturbed. Sometimes glorified to him, his mind not disturbed. He is not absorbed. Coming, name, fame coming. Oh, this is the mercy of Guru. This is the mercy of Krishna. Or even also any blasphemy will coming, also think this is the mercy of Krishna. Blasphemy, understand? If anybody blaspheme to you, you think this is the mercy of Krishna. So Khantira Pratadam Virakti Manasannata. Then Asabandho. Asabandho. Asa means is only hope. How to attain my perfect son goal. How to attain this mercy of Srimati Radhika. Asa bhare amrita sindhu mai katanchit kalo mayati chalita gamita sampratangi tanchit kripa mai kripang vidhassanaiva king me prani barchu bakari napi. Bilap Kusumanjali. Raghunathas. Asa bhare amrita sindhu mai katanchit. Only one my hope. What is my hope? You have to attain and the mercy of Srimati Radhika. Radha Kripa Kataksh. Look at this. Krishna came to in front of Raghunath Das Goswami. Hey Raghunath, I will give blessing to you because you perform hard austerities on the bank of Radha Kund. और रघुनाथ दास गोसाई कहे बकारी नापी, बकारी माने कृष्ण who killed Bakasur. Hey Bakari Krishna, I don't want your mercy. Look this. To whose mercy? Srimati Radhika, Radha Kripa Kataksh. So saying Asa Bhari Amrita Sindhu Mai Katanchit Kalo Mayati Charitam Gamitam Sampradengi Tanchet Kripamai Kripang Vidhasya Naiva King Me Prani Barchu Bakari Napi. बहुत सुंदर learn these words. So कांतिरा बताना विरक्ति मानुसंदा आशा बंधो समुत्कंठा. समुत्कंठा माने his mind or his eagerness, every second, every moment, thinking when I will receive the mercy of Srimati Radhika. Ajata Paksheva Matarang Kaga Sannang Yata Vasarata Kudarta Priyang Priva Pusitang Vishanna Manoravindaksha Didikshate Twam. Vitrasur Stuti. Vitrasur Stuti. And this is very important. Samutkanta. As like baby bird. Understand? Mother bird, she is not in the nest. So baby bird, very eager. When my mother will come and bring some food, I will eat. Two reasons, baby bird and afraid and ching. For his भूख लग रहा है माने for his hunger, for his hunger. Or second, maybe other birds will come and kill to him because mother bird is not there. Pakshini is there. Mother bird is not in the nest. For this baby bird, for this is two reasons, crying and making sound. For these two reasons. Then second example is as like the cup. Ajata Paksheva Matanam Kaga. Padartha. That is small baby cup. In India, baby cup, they also separate from the mother cup. Understand? And at the time of milking the cows, evening time, that person, he also lose the rope of the baby cup. So baby cup whole day remembering his mother. Yeah? Understand? And with this. So in the same way, remembering. But when the baby calf drinking the milk from the cow, and that time is not staying with his mother. Look at this thing. So Vitrasur saying, oh, this example also not appropriate. Understand? But appropriate this thing because birds feed some food for the baby calf, baby chick, for the outside. Understand? Taking some food from the outside. Or here the mother calf, she feed her milk or the calves from her own body. This is the difference. Understand? But the problem is that when the baby calf drink the milk from the cow, that time he also satisfied and not staying mother calf. But Utkanta. So Vitrasur is saying, oh, this is also not perfect example. Then third example is the priyang prevo pusitang visanna. Use this word. Third example, priyang prevo. Yeah, priyang prevo, this is your lover and beloved. Lover and beloved, and she is the married lady, but she performed all her household duties very nicely. But no one know she loves other persons. Understand? So here the Prakritta Bhav is there. And for this year, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited one verse about Prakritta Bhav. What is it called? Parabhyasini nari vyagropi griha karmasu asaddanto navasanga rasayana. Parabhyasini nari. Parabhyasini nari means that the married lady, she performs all her household duties very nicely. No one knows. She loves another person. Understand? But in her mind, always realizing that Parakita Bhav. When I will meet with my beloved. This is the thing. So for this is called Parabhyasini. So for this regard here, Vitrasur also same thing. Vitrasur is saying this way: Priyang Priyevo Busitang Visanna. Here use this word, Priyang Priyo Evo Busitang Visanna. Feeling separation. Lover and beloved. Here Parakita, not Sakyata Bhav. Because Sakyata Bhav with their wife and husband, there are no restriction. Easy can meet with each other. But where the Parakyatta Bhav, and that time hidden way going on this way. Understand? How understand? Oh, stupid nonsense. Don't do this Parakya Bhav. Stupid nonsense. Priyang Priyava Busitang Visanna. Here is the Priyang Priyava. As like Priya evam Priyatama. That is called. Though you can say Priya Priyatama also wife and husband. But here Vishwanath Chakravarti Padik. In Priya Priyatama means lover and beloved, not husband and wife. Understand? Busitang Visanna. Both they also so much anxious and anxiety. Two things, anxious and anxiety. Yeah, when will meet to each other? Understand? Little understand. Priyang Priva Busitang Visanna. Mama Aravindatsa Didikshati Twan. Hey Arandeksa, when my end, that day will come. So this is called this one. Samutkantha. Understand? Because this Samutkantha, this example is very important. Vitrasur slokas. Vitrasur 4 slokas. But this slokas is very important. Priyang Priyevo Bushitam. Ajata Bakshaiva Matarankaga Tannang Jatha Vatsarata. Priyang Priyevo Busitang Visanna. Mona Aravindatsa Didikshate Tvam. So Samutkantha. Or fourth, or what did it say?
The seven.
Namo Gane Sadaruchi. Namo Gane Sadaruchi. Yes, so much taste, Ruchi and taste. Nam Sankirtan, Namo Gan. Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. Yeah, Namo Gane Sadaruchi. Nam, chanting holy name. So much. Nam Ruchi. Namo Gane, glorified to Krishna. Gan means Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande Manamanasa Madhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Makkai pastimes of Krishna Katha. Krishna Katha and the pastime place of Krishna. Krishna Katha and Krishna's Kathastali. Kathastali, understand? What do you mean Kathastali? The place of Krishna's that place also. Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda. I was thinking when I will go Brajabhumi. When I'll go Braj, Vrindavan, when I'll go Navadvip Dham, Kave Gaura Bane, Suradhani Tate, Harade Ha Krishna Boli Kamiya Bela. Look this. Nama Ganesha Asaktya Gunan. Priti Tad Vasati Sthale. Priti Tad Vasati. Priti means love and affection in the pastime place of Krishna. How many will? Priti Tad Vasati Sthale. Finish or not?
Yes.
9 symptoms of Itta Surajato Bhavankur. Bhava Ankur. This sprout of is Madham Uttam. और उत्तम भागवत, उत्तम कनिष्ठ, उत्तम मध्यम, उत्तम उत्तम. Uttam Bhagavat, actually this is called he absorbed with prem dasa. Prema 3 dasa stage also there. Prema 3 stages also. Evam brata sapra nama kritva jatanurago dichuchai asati ato rodoti roti gayanur madhava nittati loko vajja kvachid rodanti kvachid asanti. Srimad Bhagavad is many slokas also. So Uttam Bhagavat, also 3 types of Uttam Bhagavat. Bhagavat Prap, what is called? Bhagavat Parshad Deha Prapta. Sanskrit word. What is it? Bhagavat Parshad Deha Prapta, with the eternal associates of Krishna Bhagavan.
Is this Uttam Kanishta or
Actually, all these are Uttam Kanishta, but actually Uttam Bhagavad all there. According to the understanding, Vishwanath Chakrabarti Pad explained, he say Uttam Kanishta. Bhagavat Parshad Deha Prapta. I like Narad Rishi. Then Uttam Uttam Madhyam is coming. That is called Bhagavat Parshad, and then
Murjit Kashai?
Murchita Kashai. Actually, no, this is coming in the last 2 first. Nirdhuta Kashai. Murchita Kashai, then Nirdhuta Kashai. Actually, this order is coming. Down to up. Bhagavat Parshad Deha Prapta. Uttam Bhagavat. Bhagavat Parshad Deha Prapta. Uttam Bhagavat. Understand? The order will, in this order will come. Then Murchita Kasai, and then Nirdhuta. And Nirdhuta Kasai, then Murchita Kasai. This order will come. And Narad Rishi. Actually, Narad Rishi is called Bhagavat Parshad. Eternal associate. Narad Rishi origin form, that is called Naradiya Gopi. Naradiya Gopi. Understand? You are which Gopi? Nice Gopi. That is called Uttam Bhagavat Parshad Deha Prapta. Or second, Nirdhuta Kasai. Nirdhuta Kasai, all his Kasai meaning impediment and has go away. And that is the symptoms of Maharaj, original. Sukadev Goswami Pad. Look this. Sukadev Goswami Pad. Sukadev Goswami Pad, when he took birth from the womb of his mother, are running towards the jungle. Parinishta Brahmano Parinishta to aham. Sukadev Goswami Pad, actual Sukadev Goswami Pad is the eternal associate Srimati Radhika's Sriya Sukha. What is called? Parrot of Srimati Radhika. But in this Leela, he is performing this Leela. And as the Sukadeva Goswami Pad. Jang Pravajant Manupita, Apitu Kitang Dipano Viraha Kadraj Bhavo, Putreti Tanmaya Taro Bhinedu, Tang Sarvabhuto Hridayang Munimanoto Asmin. This pranam mantra. Absolutely. Then Murchita Kashai. Murchita Kashai is coming. That is called when Naradishi, he took birth from the womb of Dasiputra, the son of maidservant. That time Naradishi, he told his own life history. A nice katha is there. Written or not?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you write?
The Uttam is Bhagavad
Parshad Deha
and
Prapta.
that example is Narad Muni.
Narad Muni, Gopi, Naradiya Gopi
Oh, Naradya Gopi.
is the perfect example. Naradiya Gopi.
Niridhut Kashai is
And Nirdhito Kashai,
Madhyam,
Uttam Madhami.
Shukadeva Goswami.
That is called Sukadeva Goswami. All they are Uttam Bhagavad, but just categories are given this. Or then Murchita Kashai, that is called Narad Rishi. When Narad Rishi was born in the son of maid servant, that is called Dasiputra. That time Narad Rishi Katha is there. Understand? But Narad Rishi is when he was born of maid servant, the son of maid servant, Dasiputra. Only he this time, he took darshan to Lord very, what is called, slightly, no, very quick, as like the flash of the lightning. But again, he fainted and he asked to Lord again, if we not get darshan, and that time a real sound came. Hey, Nadashi, again you can't put darshan to me. When you receive your constitutional form, Siddha Deha, and give up this material body, Panchabhatik Sarir, material body, and to come my abode Vaikuntha Dham. Then you can see. But that time Naradishi mind little bit disturbed. That time Naradishi told, he's thinking, Vanastu Satiko Vaso. So I will not stay in the people, and I have to stay in the forest alone. This type of desire. Because Shastra is saying you should not stay alone. Always stay with sadhus, devotees, bhakta sangha, sadhu sangha. If you stay alone, then many anarthas will come. Understand this? Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal. All the Uttam Bhagavad. Understand this? The three, they are called Uttam Bhagavad. And Uttam Bhagavad symptom, this is sometimes Kachid Rudanti, Kachid Asanti. And Prem manifests in his heart, that time he cannot stay longer. He cannot stay, what do you say, longer. Because Prem cannot tolerate this body, he has to give up this body. If you want to Uttam Bhagavad, if you want to give up your body, very quickly attain Uttam Bhagavad, Prem. Who want to give up body? No one.
So Maharaj, only the material body made of 5 elements only can hold till Bhav Bhakti, till Madhyam.
Are you going this, slowly going this way? Understand? This way. Given many examples, Shastra thing, because transcendental things not giving the one example. If you put the iron in the fire, at a time the iron will not become red. Need couple minutes. That time the iron become very red, lal ho jata hai, completely red. And that time that iron can burn everything. Look this. That is Sanskrit word, that is called Tadatma Bhav. What is called? Tat Atma Tadatma Bhav. The potency of the potency enters in his body. Then your body will be there. In the same way, when you bhajan sadhana, then material body will be disappear. And slowly, your Suddha Atma Sarir will manifest. There are many examples. As give an example that the snake give up his skin. Skin is there, but the form is, but snake is not there. So it's saying many examples is given, because all transcendental things cannot give the only one material example. Bhajan and sadhan dirgha. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari. Huh?
Can I ask one last short
Huh?
question? You mentioned about Sudha Sadachar, but is criticizing our god brothers and god sisters and
No,
singers,
no.
is that
That
Sudha
Shastra
Sadachar?
never allow criticize. Kaharana ninda pade.
But even if you go Navadip Dham, can you not still criticize and then you go to Navadip Dham?
Huh? What?
You cannot criticize and go to Navadip Dham and ask forgiveness there.
Are yeah, you forgiveness. That means you have to repent it.
Not do
Repent.
again.
I do not do. Jagai madai bole ar nare baap. Jagadananda they bole again I will not drink alcohol. Again will not commit any offense. Then Lord will give mercy. Jagai Chopra use this word. Jagai madai bole ar nare baap. Baap means again I will not do this.
Maharaj, today I heard you say in a lecture
Give
that
water. Oh,
even if one has bad behavior, bad conduct externally, still Krishna says he is sadhu. That you should consider him
sadhu.
because he's not
Obviously-
one pointed to me.
He's saying, Opiche sudracharu bhajate mang ananya bhako. Sadhu reva samantabha.
So one can say, who are you to criticize if even Krishna says he's sadhu?
Are you not criticize? If he criticize, you will suffer.
Yeah.
What is your problem? My thing is, those who are saying this, they will be suffer. This is not our suffer. Understand? Blaspheme, criticize the two ways. One person is thief. You are saying he is thief.
Yeah.
This is not criticize. Or one person he is not thief. You just what is called blaming. Impose, accuse. That is called the ninda.
Ninda, yeah.
You read what is the meaning of ninda? One article is Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he wrote what is the meaning of ninda, criticize. One person is thief. You are saying thief. This is not criticize. You understand? And he stole. And he steal. So you are saying that he is thief. Thief. But Shastra is saying no need. Why you have wasted my time?
And if one is a thief himself, he's saying he's a thief, but he's a thief himself. That's this example you say.
Thief tells the thief is going.
I said from that.
चोर कहते हैं चोर आगे चल रहे हैं भक्तिसिद्धांत प्रभुपाद he gave this example. One thief he stole some money and some house take money. Then the people they wake up. Then he was running, thief is running. Then people are saying, hey, thief, so then pakdo, thief. Thief is thinking because many people are coming on the road. So he afraid. So he was running and thinking, thief is going. This story you are saying this way. Thief says, thief is going. You read this. For this regard, he saved his life. Then everything, this thief. Then he escaped the partner anyway. Many kotha is there. Okay, I will not say. Oh, good. Okay. Chalo. Okay, go. Okay. Okay, take group front one. Quick.
One picture. Shama Priya.
Which way go?
Which way? Shashikala.
Okay, Balaram Prabhu. Balaram.
I think it's
Middle part or here? Yeah?
I give Prasad something you take. Something you are not good. Yeah,
Right here. Here, here.
It's better, hè?
My color is same, no? Yeah. Nice one. Huh? Huh?
You said you two same color. He said same color. You two.
Okay. Double Vrindavan Vihari. Yes.
You just made the same color.
Okay. Okay. Hi.
Krishna Balaram.
Okay. Yeah.
Have a safe flight to Krishna Balaram.
Shubha Jatra ki jai.
I'm on the wrong.
They put it here, no? Okay.
Jai Shri Gurudev ki jai. Jai. Govinda Rama Rama Govinda Rama Jai Shri Gurudev ki jai. Shri Gurudev ki jai.
Krishna Krishna.
E tu go a bit faster. Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. Let's go faster. Shri Gurudev ki jai. Shri Gurudev ki jai.
Je kan zien nog lopen. If we go quickly, that might be maybe. Yeah.
Let's try. Radhe. trying to get a last darshan.
Even us plastic bags.
Shila Gurudev ki jai! Shila Gurudev ki jai! Shila Gurudev ki jai!